We welcome you all to our happiness awareness education. We are happy when we celebrate what we have. Today, let us listen to
There are different happiness tools available. We need to select and customize depending on our uniqueness. An individual is not a part of the wholeness, he himself is a wholeness. Individual means indivisible, that means wholeness. Hence, man is not partial. Do not deal with the man part by part. So, whichever the tool which you have, just enjoy. Don't think it is good, bad, all those, the mind or the brain creation. So, important thing is you should come out of feeling of insufficiency, self-lack, and when you are not enjoying what is there already, you want something add-ons, then the problem starts. So it's very important, whatever, like the tools which by smile, just looking at loved ones, eating, drinking, giving, receiving, serving, gratitude, appreciating unique design, taking action in the present towards the goal, appreciating wonderful designs of nature. There are many, many happy tools. Only thing is, these things can be enjoyed when we are aware of our being, the silence inside, so that the virtual reality, what you are seeing, can be enjoyed. Other than that, there are a lot of many other tools. Knowledge may be a tool, devotion may be a tool, yoga may be a tool, meditation may be a tool, wealth may be a tool, possession may be a tool, position may be a tool. The inner content, internal happiness, unique worth, what you are, competent. Those things acts like a very good tool. Only thing is, we need to have appreciation and celebration of these tools. When we have a harmony in the mind and emotions, we develop virtues like acceptance, forgiving, kindness, compassion, gratitude, lovingfulness. This acts like a ground state from where the happiness can be multiplied. As a crown of nature, we are gifted the periphery with plenty of tools, the united center within a stable, inbuilt happiness. So, we can just enjoy, like in moderation. We need to live in the present, like eating, for example. We can just enjoy it, like a small sweet can be eaten for almost 10 to 15 minutes, so that you will not be eating too much. You will be eating only a small piece, but you are sufficiently giving time to enjoy it, not just gulping. You can swim, walk, have a sexual pleasure As a human being, you are complete. Don't think right or wrong. Anything with moderation. Use all the tools. Use all these tools not only for these pleasures, for also to serve, to help, to contribute wherever possible. Smile, laugh, and dance. Thank you.
We request you all to join this movement on happiness to overcome the unhappiness pandemic and crisis. Let us learn, educate, promote, create, practice, share, and subscribe happiness. The vision of happiness awareness education is to create one happiness coach for every home to overcome the unhappiness pandemic and crisis.